Electric pressure washers are powerful tools that make cleaning a breeze. They offer an efficient and eco-friendly way to clean everything from patios and driveways to cars and boats. But with so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the best one for your needs. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best electric pressure washers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Introducing the Karcher K1000 700Q, number 5 on our list of top-performing pressure washers. Don't let its compact size fool you. Standing at only 12 inches tall and weighing just 18 pounds, this powerhouse delivers an impressive 1700 psi of true pressure, powered by a reliable universal motor. With an on-off foot switch for easy control, cleaning has never been simpler. At an affordable price of $105, the K1000 700Q lives up to the Karcher promise of cleaner, quicker. Its versatile cleaning options include a quick connect bayonet spray wand with 3 nozzles for all-around cleaning, tough-to-clean surfaces, and detergent application, while the integrated water filter ensures optimal cleaning performance. Equipped with a generous 20 feet kink-resistant high-pressure hose and an onboard detergent tank, the K1000 700Q offers both convenience and practicality. Next up is the Westinghouse electric pressure washer, ranked number 4 on our list of the best pressure washers. Boasting an impressive 2050 max PSI at initial discharge per CSA internal pressure testing, this powerful washer delivers a deep cleaning water pressure of up to 1.76 GPM, without nozzle at minimum pressure, water flow. Equipped with a pro-style steel extendable 17.5-inch wand and quick connect nozzles including 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, turbo, and soap applicator, this pressure washer is perfect for tackling any cleaning task. At just 16.5 inches tall and 19 pounds, it is super compact and lightweight for convenient storage and portability. The 4 quick lock wheels with 360-degree steering design and low center of gravity also ensure anti-tipping safety. At just $149, this Westinghouse electric pressure washer is an affordable and reliable choice for all your cleaning needs. Looking for a powerful and versatile pressure washer to tackle your cleaning tasks? Look no further than the Suyncll SPX3000, coming in at number 3 on our list. With a 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor, this pressure washer can generate up to 2030 psi and 1.76 GPM of water flow, making it perfect for homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more. What's more, the Suyncll SPX3000 is equipped with 2 0.9-liter onboard detergent tanks, so you can easily switch between different types of detergent to tackle different cleaning projects. And with its total stop system, the pump automatically shuts off when the trigger is not engaged, helping to save energy and prolong the pump's life. Get your hands on the Suyncll SPX3000 for just $169 and experience the power and versatility of this top-rated pressure washer today. Upgrade your cleaning game with the Suyncll pressure washer. This powerful machine, listed as number 2, packs a 2000 watts motor that generates a maximum SI at 2.1 GPM, providing superior cleaning power for all your needs. With a 20-foot high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord, you can easily tackle large areas and hard-to-reach spots. The Suyncll pressure washer is perfect for cleaning cars, bicycles, fences, patios, sidewalks, sidings, gardens, yards, outdoor furniture, and more, saving you time and money. The spray gun has a safety lock, and the unique plug-in spray gun makes it more convenient. This pressure washer is IPX5 waterproof and features a GFCI plug to prevent electric leakage, ensuring safe operation. Upgrade your cleaning experience with the Suyncll pressure washer, available at an affordable price of $114. check out the Greenworks 3000, the ultimate powerhouse for cleaning. This pressure washer has been ranked as #1 for good reason. With a powerful 14-amp true brushless motor generating 3000 psi and 2.0 GPM, you can tackle even the toughest cleaning tasks with ease. Its PWMA certification guarantees that all pressure and flow rate claims were tested and verified by an independent lab. And that's not all. With heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump, jet flow technology, and up to 50% more flow, reaching higher areas and quick power rinsing has never been easier. The rugged metal gun and hassle-free 25 feet Uber Flex kink-resistant hose, along with 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees tips, plus soap and turbo nozzles, complete the package. Get yours now for just $429 and experience cleaning like never before. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.